Hi friends, today we are going to talk about something that quickly becoming a favorite in the modern home designs, which is called WPC Louvers. These panels don't just solve your practical problems like moisture, but they also give your walls a premium and designer look. So in this video, I'll going to explain everything you need to know before you buy or install this WPC Louvers. What exactly are WPC Louvers and what are the latest material and labor rates in the market? How is the installation done, and most importantly what precautions you should take to avoid the common mistakes. So first let's understand that what is WPC louvers are. WPC stands for wood plastic composites. These are the panels made from a blend of wood and plastic. They have a wooden look but are more affordable and durable than the wood. These have some beautiful features like they have wooden textures and patterns available in various shades and designs, and can be used on walls as well as the false ceilings, and even they are the waterproof and termite proof, meaning no worries about the dampness or termites. So there may be wondering how they are different from PVC panels. Actually sheets are plain while WPC louvers have depth and textures, giving the walls a premium look. So now I'm going to discuss about the cost of WPC louvers. Actually the WPC louvers rates. First, we understand what is the size. The standard size of these lowers are 9.6 will be the length and 6 inches will be the width. So area per panel approximately 5 square feet it will cover. And in the thickness you will get 10, 12 mm, 14, 24. These are the thickness are available of WPC lowers panels, and in per pack it will get 15 pieces, and the price of each panel starts from 300 to 350 rupees per piece. And for installing we require other materials like fastener clips, and per panel we require 3 clips, and per piece is 6 rupees, that means. And for finishing we require the corner profile, and each corner profile putty cost 500 rupees. So let me take some example to understand that how much it will cost for installing one wall. So let's suppose our wall size is 10 by 10. That means the total area of the wall is 100 square feet, and each panels covers is 5 square feet. So total panels we require is 20 panels. So each panel prices will take 350 rupees. So for 20 panels it will cost 7000 rupees. Another materials which we require is the fastener clips. So 20 panels we require 60 clips, because for each panel we require 3 clips, and so for we will multiply this 20 into 3, the total is 60 clips. And another material which is requires the corner profile, and each profile price is 500 rupees for, so we require 2 profiles, 1000 rupees more for that. So now we have to add all these things. 7000 for WPC lowers, 1000 rupees for corner profile is 8000, and plus 400 rupees for fastener clips. So 8400 it will cost total for the materials, and for installing the labor charges starts from 20 to 20 rupees per square feet. So let me assume that 20 rupees as per square feet for labor charges. For 100 square feet wall the labor will charge 2000 rupees. So the total price for installing 10 by 10 walls is 10,400 rupees. So if we calculate in per square feet, it will cost you almost 100 to 110 rupees per square feet. In this price, everything is included like materials plus labor cost. So total everything is included. So what is the process for installing? Actually, installing WCPEC louvers is simple, but here are some key points to keep in mind before starting. Like first is to prepare the surface. The wall should be clean and level. If there is any dampness, get waterproofing done first. Second, installing steps. So always put the framework, a wooden or metal frame is created, and after that fastener clips are screw on the frame. Third is panel fitting. So lowers are fitted into the clips. Fourth one, corner finishing. So for corner profile are used to give edges and smooth look. So always hire the professional vendor for installing this PVC lowers so that it can give the premium look. So friends, before installing or before purchasing the materials, you should keep something in mind, like first always check the quality of the materials, verify the thickness like 12 mm is which is the standard, and finishing of WPC lowers. Another thing is the shade selection. Choose a shade that matches your room lighting and the furnitures. Third one is the maintenance, because they are low maintenance, just clean with the damp cloth. And fourth most important point to remember is the budget. So if your budget is tight, install them on one just feature wall which is highlighted. And one my pro tip is that sometimes contractors may overcharge or mislead you. So here are the points to watch out. Like first, overestimating the materials. They might say you need 20 to 25 panels instead of 15 to 20. So measure your walls properly. They may use local quality instead of branded. So check the materials receipts and quality also. Fix labor rates in advance. So friends, now you know how easy and affordable it is to give your walls a royal look with WPC lowers. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you have any queries related to these designs and materials, ask me in the